Hey guys, it's me Asher and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're filming Abandoned Bed Bath & Beyond. And the Bed Bath & Beyond is behind me, and they have not taken down the letters yet. And also, this was our location. This is the one we went to. We got our bath rugs. My mom would get her bath rugs here. This was the go-to. We actually did a walkthrough when the store was closing. Their closing sales. They had a store closing banner, and it's sad to see that their plan is to go out of business in all of them in June. So, yeah. And all right, let's take a look. And yeah, that was the final days of Bed Bath & Beyond. Now let's take a look at the abandoned building. And for some reason, both locations have Bed Bath & Beyond. The store is closing soon. And this says, "We have missed you." Wow, the windows are already dirty, so it says, "We have missed you." About their packaging, and little do they know that it is closed. So, oh wow, they just got a few lights on in there. But yeah, they still got those orange stickers and stuff. It's kind of hard to see in there. There's an alarm going off in there. And just if you were wondering what the building numbers are, there it is right there. So if you want to do an abandoned Bed Bath & Beyond on Google Maps, there it is right there. And also, all the Bed Bath & Beyonds have this. I believe so. And it's just the cart corral. This one's very big. I think a little bit bigger than the Bed Bath, the one in Rivergate. So I think so. Or maybe not. I don't know. But I'll just have to see them side by side. But yeah, that's what it looks like in Bed Bath & Beyond. Very sad to see it closed. Let's go show them the cart corral. And here is the Bed Bath & Beyond cart corral. Let me see. Yep, this is a cool Bed Bath & Beyond cart that they still have. It's the only one. I wish I could have it to put in the house, and especially since all of them are going out of business. So it's really sad. That's really cool. All right, let's do a cart dive. Woo! All right, it looks like people have been using it as a trash can, so that's not cool. But maybe some of the workers may have put some stuff in there, or maybe all the workers did this, so maybe they purposely did it. So who knows? And there's have you noticed the parking lots right here where the Bed Bath & Beyond used to be? It's very, not a lot of people are here besides businesses over there and stuff. And fun fact, that was actually the Spirit Halloween over there. And there is the abandoned goodies over there where the Spirit Halloween used to be. Honestly, I kind of want them to use the abandoned Bed Bath & Beyond just because, hey, new content, new store, you know, maybe be a little cooler. It'd be fun to go back in there before something moves into it. So, but I don't know, two vacant places. So I don't know. Please, Spirit Halloween, pick this one. For Hermitage location, pick that one, please. All right, well, that was the abandoned Bed Bath & Beyond video and the closing store. I hope you enjoyed both of the videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So we'll see you guys next time. And remember to just be you. Peace.